My name is Phillipe Salcedo and I'm Partnership Coordinator of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. This UN Decade was mandated by a General Assembly resolution in 2019. It runs from 2021 to 2030. And who's behind it? Well, many are. 250 organizations around the world, from the big global players to local restoration entities, have come together to move the restoration commitments that we have already to implementation and to action on the ground or in the sea. The UN Decade is owned by all member states, but of course they run at different paces. For any country really to catch up and to take action that we need, the UN Decade provides several avenues to do so. And we are particularly pleased to see the emergence of so many national ecosystem restoration alliances, like in Australia, because they are key partners for governments to work with to reach their goals. One of the ways to move from commitment to actions and to make everybody understand that large-scale ecosystem restoration is possible is by awarding the best examples of those. Under the UN Decade, we award the World Restoration Flagships. We had a call in 2019. We now have the 10 best examples. We will announce the next 7 best examples before the end of the year. And most importantly, if you missed it, you did not, because the next opportunity to nominate your World Restoration Flagships is coming up. From December of this year, 2023, until the end of March 2024, you can nominate what you think should be awarded as a World Restoration Flagships. From the mountains to fresh waters to the seas and coastal ecosystems. We cover them all.